Beautiful and immaculate 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,500 square feet, custom-built home with a spacious and open floor plan in Bowersville city limits on over an acre. Quality built, this Craftsman-style beauty features a vaulted great room with LVP flooring, fireplace with gas logs, needs to be hooked up, and a built-in Bluetooth sound system. The kitchen has an island, plenty of counter space and storage, granite countertops, a pantry, and stainless steel appliances including a built-in microwave and refrigerator. The master suite features a full bath with a large walk-in tile shower, dual vanities, and a walk-in closet. Enjoy the covered front porch with room for a swing or the oversized screened-in porch overlooking the private backyard. Attached garage.